So the one other thing that looks different between this and our mockup is the size. If you jump back to the mockup, you'll see that the actual font size is quite a bit bigger. So let's bump up the font size on our browser. I'm going to jump back to Firefox. And we still have one of our menu items highlighted here, but we can select it by right-clicking and clicking Inspect Element again. And let's go ahead and scroll down this list of styles until we see one that has something to do with font size. I'm going to scroll down, and we see here this main menu links item sets the font size to 0.929 EMs. Let's go ahead and bump this up, and we'll use a pixel definition instead to 18 pixels. Okay, that bumped up the size in our navigation, and if we go back to the mockup, it looks like about the right size for the mockup as well. So let's go ahead and copy this selector here from Firebug and paste it into our document and add our font size 18px, or 18 pixels. Okay, let's go ahead and copy this and paste it into our CSS injector rule. I'm going to click on the Edit CSS Injector rule in the shortcut bar. I'm going to scroll down and add a new item into our CSS rules. Main menu links, 18 pixels here, just pasting it from the document. And then I'm going to click Save. I'll exit out of the overlay. And again, we're having a problem with our style change persisting. I'm going to assume this is an important issue, and so I'm going to click back to edit the injector rule, and let's just add important and see if that does the trick. I'll scroll down and click Save, and then I'll exit the overlay. Okay, that looks better. So we now have all of our items at the right size. There's no background. When we hover over the items, there's no background either. So we're good to go.